Every website builder has its pros and cons. In today's Wix review, I'm going to walk you through all of them so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. So let's dive in with this Wix website builder review. So what is Wix and who is it really for? Wix is an all-in-one website builder that lets you create, design, and publish a website without touching any code. At the same time, it's a builder that lets you insert code snippets, set up content management systems, or customize basically any part of your site. So hosting, security, design tools, and built-in features all live under one roof. Wix is especially suited for small business owners, professionals, and developers who want versatility and control. Wix adheres to standards and best practices, ensuring semantic HTML and accessibility guidelines, making it a reliable choice for most developers. Wix Website Builder has an interesting approach with templates and designs. Firstly, the template library is huge, with over 2,000 designs that you can choose from for various businesses. So that's a standout from other builders like Squarespace, which can offer about 200 templates. And if you thought 2,000 was a lot, there are actually third-party marketplaces with, and I'm not joking here, thousands of templates that you can buy for Wix. But moreover, Wix has a great AI builder that asks you some questions and then can generate unique designs specifically for you. So if we combine all of that, Wix might have the biggest design selection in the world. I mean, I think you should definitely check Wix out just for that reason. Oh, and if you're just here to save some cash rather than a full Wix review, then I'm not going to keep you any longer. Just go grab the best deal from the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. Seriously, don't be the one who pays full price when discounts are right here. Now, the editor itself, this is where Wix really stands out for me. Now, with Wix, building a website, it's actually kind of fun. It uses true drag and drop editing, meaning you can just place elements exactly where you want without rigid grids forcing your layout. Now, with that said, you can activate grids and even customize the menus you see, and even edit your editing here. You see changes in real time, use pre-built content blocks, alignment tools, and a massive element library to craft basically any design that you can think of. Everything is customizable, from colors and fonts to layouts, without breaking the design. Mobile responsiveness is automatic, which is a huge time saver, but you can also manually customize special designs for different devices, and there are code injections, extra apps, integrations, and so on. If you have time and the willingness to learn a bit, then there's really no better or more extensive website editor than Wix. Okay, let's move on to features and integrations. Wix includes strong built-in SEO tools and might be the easiest SEO setup for beginners. You get a guided SEO checklist, AI-powered keyword suggestions, technical SEO checks, Google integrations, editable titles and descriptions, and support for multilingual SEO. Oh, and all templates are also optimized for mobile, which helps with search rankings. Now, there are limits for SEO and more advanced tools, so you can call this a con, but the thing is, Wix also adds a large app market. So you can add e-commerce tools like reviews and shipping calculators, marketing tools like live chat and pop-ups, social media integrations, and event tools such as booking calendars and RSVP forms. So if Wix Website Builder lacks anything, you can bet your sweet ass that there's an app for that in the marketplace. Now, to complete this Wix review, we got to talk about pricing. Now, you're going to need to sign in through the link in the description and start to create your site to actually see current plans. Yeah, I know it's a bit weird, but with my coupon, pricing is very reasonable considering what you get, and there are not that many other fees. Now, everything that Wix has natively is free, but if you'd like to add extra functionalities through apps, most of those come with some sort of monthly or yearly subscription. And honestly, compared to other premium builders, getting 100 gigabytes of storage space, a free domain for 1 year, drop shipping, and e-commerce features for this price is a fantastic deal. But don't take my word for it. Go use that free trial, test things out. Just don't wait for those discounts to run out. All right, so my final verdict on this Wix AI website builder review. Well, Wix is the best website builder 2026 option if you want to have every tool at your fingertips. It's outstanding for small, personal, or business sites that wish to grow and expand. It's also a great playground if you're interested in AI and what it can do in the realm of website development, but it can be a bit too much for complete beginners or when you simply want to craft a small blog for your thoughts. Either way, I do recommend you just go create a website on Wix Website Builder for yourself and then leave a comment. Was I right on this review, or do you think about Wix differently? Deals below, like and subscribe to get some extra karma points, and I'll see you later. Bye.